I'm Sue Dakotas, MD. I'm very pleased to be offering Liposonics. Liposonics is an FDA-approved treatment to reduce unwanted fat in your abdomen. It works by using the newest ultrasound technology to literally melt the belly fat away. You will lose 1 inch of fat around your waist in one treatment in only 1 hour.
I'm Dr. Ann Chappis. I'm a board-certified dermatologist and the medical director of Union Square Laser Dermatology. Liposonics uses brand new high-intensity ultrasound technology to destroy the fat that lives right beneath the skin on the abdomen. It heats the fat precisely 1.3 centimeters below the skin, and it causes your body's natural processes to eliminate it over about 8 to 12 weeks. So in 1 hour, in one treatment, patients can lose up to 1 dress or pant size.